Gĩcunjĩ kĩa 40 harĩ igana gĩa bũrũri wa Kenya gĩkoragwo kĩgũmĩirwo nĩ ũmũ nĩ wagi wa mbura ya kũigana makĩria rũgongo rwa bũrũri kũrĩa Aikari nĩ arĩithia a mahiũ. Hĩndĩ ya ng'aragu na wagi wa mbura Aikari gũkũ makoragwo magĩtara hathara nĩ ikuũ cia ũtonga wao, ũndũ ũrĩa kwa ihinda rĩrĩ ũthiĩte na mbere na gwakĩrĩria nĩ ũcenjia wa rĩera.
Northern Kenya is quite degraded. We have 70% of the land degraded, and the main driver of degradation is the persistent drought, poor land management, and also the invasive species that are really affecting the landscape.
Paul Society kuma kaunti ya Laikipia nĩ acakaĩte nĩ gũtherema kwa werũ ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ mĩtugo ya mũndũ ya ũthũkangia wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
I was born here in around 1991. This is when this gully started forming, and it's because of the climate change. We're losing trees, you're losing vegetation cover, and because of long droughts. As a result of this, the gullies are, there is a lot of runoff, and gullies are formed.
Na nĩ wĩingĩ wa MAHIU Society oigĩte mĩmera ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkundera na gũtiga mĩgũnda ĩrĩ ũtheri na rĩrĩa kwaura, mũiyũro wa maĩ ũgakuua tĩri na gũtiga mĩkuru mĩriku.
It affects the livestock because livestock graze here. This is a grazing area, and it's affect the livestock. Even the livestock, just fall into it. The small shows, even the cows, the camels. When a camel fall in this gully, definitely it dies.
Na nĩguo kũhukia thĩna ũyũ Aikari na anyiti itemi nĩ maiyũkĩtie ũhandi wa nyeki na njĩra ya mwanya kũgitĩra tĩri gũkuo nĩ maĩ rĩrĩa mbura ya thanda na tore Samson Kuraru aratarĩria.
Reseeding, women are planting seeds, grass seeds, through the semicircular band approach, and they harvest the seeds to ensure that they spread to other areas which are degraded. So as part of a motivation effort, we want to support these women through giving them some motivation with stipend, just to give them a motivation to continue with the work.
We have almost 42 to 43 NRT conservancies implementing the rangeland program. That includes grazing planning, but we have also a few of them doing the grass plot, because it's a new thing. It was a new thing that we started last year, and it started with women involvement in rangeland.
Nyeki ĩno ningĩ ĩtuĩkĩte kĩguni kũrĩ atumia arĩa maiyũkĩtie wendia wa mbegũ cia nyeki kwĩyonera ũboco wa oro mũthenya.
Tulikaa tu tukaona vile watoto wetu waliumia huko, wakipeleka ng'ombe msituni. Sasa wakati ya jilali wengi walipata kuuliwa kule, na sasa tukaona hiyo afadhali tuonelee tutengeneze shamba yetu itaweza kutusaidia kwa kutoa nyasi, na pia ile manjao kidogo kidogo tunakata tunapelekea ili waweze kukaa sasa baada ya kwenda tena kufanya huko.
Mirani nayo gĩkũngũiya nĩ kũgacĩra kwa mĩgũnda ĩrĩa marĩithagĩria mahiũ mao.
Tulikuwa hata sisi tukiwa hapa Isona na sisi tulikuwa tu tunashunga hapa wanyama wetu wasini wasikuje kula hiyo nyasi, ndio itokeleze na ingie tena zaidi Kenya tulikuwa tumeweka.
Tuende kwa wenyewe. Tunaishi hapa tu kama tuko na nyasi yetu. Hakuna mahali tunamia kwenda. Tuko ile hii tu.
Ũgwati ũngĩ ũgũmĩire Aikari gũkũ nĩ gũtherema kwa mũmera wa cactus. Peter Kilesi kuma rũriĩ rwa Naibunga oigĩte makĩria ma ĩka 12,000 nĩ cihumbĩrĩtwo nĩ mũmera ũyũ.
Puntia was introduced here in the colonial time as an ornamental plant, but later it actually turned to be an invasive plant that really encroached our land, and it has taken up to 70% of the rangeland or the area that we graze.
Imekuja kuathiri mang'ombe na mambusi hata mangamia, sababu wakati ya jilali, wakati hakuna nyasi, ng'ombe huwa inakula hii matunda. Inaathiri sana midomo na inaingia kwa macho na kipofu, na once ikikula mdomo inafura, inakuwa na finonda, so haiwezi kukula tena. So mnyama inapofika mpaka inakufa.
Nĩguo kũhũrana naguo atumia nĩ maiyũkĩtie wĩigĩrĩrĩki wa gũkũria tũtambi mũthemba wa cochinelle nyũmba-inĩ ya greenhouse ta ũrĩa Jane Kipish aratarĩria.
We came together and initiated a biological control method where we use the cochinelle bag to control the plant. The cochinelle bag feed primarily on the Opuntia stricta, where it sucks the sap of the plant. Once the sap of the plant has been sucked off, the plant eventually dies.
Hii kazi ya Opuntia huwa tunafanya mwisho ya mwezi. Tunaweka hii dudu cochinelle kwa mabucket, inakaa wiki 3 ya 4 ndio tunakuja kutoa, tuna spread tunaweka kwa hii Opuntia ndio iweze kukula hii Opuntia.
Tutambi tutu twakora mimera-ini tucokaga gutwarwo na kuigirirwo mimera ya cactus migunda-ini na gutigirira neoma.
Na pia wamama wanajitolea, wanakata, alafu tunasanya mahali moja, tunashoma. So wamama sana sana ndio wanafanya hii kazi, kujitolea sana, bila pesa na bila usaidizi yoyote, kwa sababu tunajitolea, tunaenda kungoa, tunakata, tunanoa, tunatoa ile roots kwa sababu iko na misisi refu sana.
Kugerera njira ici aikari a Laikipia na icigo ingi cia rugongo rwa bururi mathiete na mbere na kuhurana na gutherema kwa weru bururi-ini. Ministry ya mititu na maria maturigiciirie ikiuga makiria ma gicunje kia 64 harĩ 100 kia migunda bururi-ini nikianangithwo na gucungiriria gutherema kwa weru. Meme TV tafarira ya maria maturigiciirie ngikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.